Hey everybody, Jeff here. How you doing? I hope you're having a great day, especially leading up here to Father's Day weekend. So if you were looking for some tool deals or some Father's Day sales on tools here, I have a couple here I wanted to bring to your attention here. This is one of those cases where sometimes you see a huge disparity in pricing, and I don't know why, but anyway, what we have up here first is this here is a Dewalt cordless compact router. It's a 20 volt here. And this one's actually on Grainger's website. And what they're doing here is they are giving you, let me magnify the image here for us. They're giving you this Dewalt router here, and they're throwing in the 20 volt 4 amp hour battery here. And so they're charging here today $199. Now, this offer ends on June 30th, but like any good deals that you see kind of like this, you don't wait till the end of the sale because who knows, these could be gone by today. And certainly on a lot of these deals of the day that we see from Home Depot, that happens quite a bit to us. And then, so now here it says web price was $446. Well, I highly doubt anybody ever charged $446 for these. So always be wary when you see these, that when they're showing you how much you're saving, really. I look at how much am I really saving from what the actual street price is now. So you're probably wondering, okay, what is that street price? Well, it's right here on Home Depot's website here. They're showing as $199 just for the tool only. So then you come back to Grainger and you see, okay, so they're giving us $199 plus this 4 amp hour battery. Now, oddly, if you noticed back here on the Home Depot website here, they have pretty much the same kit, except they're giving you a 5 amp hour battery. But they're charging $298 to get the 5 amp hour battery. Okay, so what's the difference between the two? So just as a sanity check here on Home Depot, you can see that the 4 amp hour battery is worth $110. And it's on sale right now because we had to put this into the cart to see this price. So it's normally even more than $110. And then here you can see that Home Depot is selling the 5 amp hour battery for $150. So now looking back here on Home Depot, you can see that buying that kit right here for $298, you're actually buying a kit who has an actual cash value of about $350. So Home Depot's giving you about $50 off on this kit. But keep in mind, they're giving you a 5 amp hour battery. It's maybe $30 or $40 more than the 4 amp hour battery. So coming back to Grainger here, you can see they're giving you here about a $330 value for $200. So it looks like Grainger's deal is probably saving you quite a bit more here if you're willing to take the 4 amp hour battery. And really, quite frankly, I don't think we're going to notice that much difference between a 4 amp hour and a 5 amp hour. It's theoretically about 20% difference. But, you know, most of us kind of wait until, you know, we don't wait until the battery dies. We're constantly checking our batteries, and they last a pretty good long time in between charges anyway. So I would say this would be the good deal to get. All right, so the next deal I wanted to show you is one here that they run from time to time here at Home Depot with this Dewalt kit here. Now, I own this very kit here. I bought this back I bought this very kit back in 2017. What I like about it is this is their top-of-the-line hammer drill, the DCD 996, and one of their better impact drivers, the DCF 887. And it also comes here, as you can see here, with the fast charger, which I love. This will charge your batteries in like an hour. And then you also get 2 batteries with this kit here. You get the 2 amp hour and you also get the 6 amp hour flex volt battery. And the 2 amp hour, you might be going, oh, I don't want that's tiny, you know what? But that's a great little battery because on this impact driver, it is so light, and that battery just puts out a lot of power. It just lasts forever. It's amazing how little I end up charging my batteries here. So anyway, I had showed you this deal about a week ago at Home Depot when I did a walkthrough. I showed you the box here on the shelf here, and you can see here it was the last one here, and this store is now sold out, and so is our other local store, because every time they put this kit on sale that cheap, you can see how the price just drives people to take it. So this is a 30% discount off their normal $3.99 price. So right here you can see they're charging $3.99 is their normal price. In fact, if you look here on the screen, you can see back here in early March during one of my live streams, I showed you this kit and it was $3.99 in there, and I said, that's it. You know, Home Depot never really drops it the price that much on this. And then sure enough, they made a liar out of me, because here we are first thing Monday morning. They must have heard me, because they dropped the price now down to $2.79. See, I still have my original box here from when I bought this kit 2 years ago. And the kit number is actually still exactly the same, except for the last 2 letters have changed from T1 to W1 now. But everything else in here is exactly the same. It comes with the fast charger there. So this has been a very useful kit for me over the years. I'm quite happy with it here. And then also here, if you take a look here on the screen now, you'll see here is my DCD 996 hammer drill and the DCF 887 impact driver. That's part of this kit here. Today we're filming a tool review video using our Dewalt hammer drill and impact drill, comparing the Diablo Speed Demon to the Bosch Daredevil spade bits to the Spider Stinger spade bits. Hopefully this video will be up on our channel here this weekend. Today we're also filming our tool review of the RYOBI cordless pressure cleaner that we picked up at the RYOBI Day sale. So this is a really great price here. This is a nice low price, and I think this is the lowest price that you will ever see this Dewalt drill impact driver combo kit here listed for sale. But there was one time where we saw a better version of this deal, where back on March 9th, you recall I showed you this was the deal of the day, where they had this same deal for $279 in Home Depot, but they threw in an extra Dewalt Flex Volt battery to sweeten the deal. Okay, before I show you the other deals, I wanted to just bring one thing to your attention here. If you're new to our channel and you haven't seen any of our other videos, make sure you go here and you click on our videos tab, and that you look to see these are all the videos we've uploaded chronologically recently. And so you want to make sure that you check out in particular, you know, some of the walkthroughs in Home Depot and Lowe's if you've missed them. But even more importantly, you want to check out all of these tool reviews that you see down here that we were adding a lot of in the last few months here, and all sorts of how-tos and other projects related to remodeling. So make sure you check these out too. Okay, so a lot of people don't know that we also run the other popular channel here on YouTube called carbuyingtips.com. So to get there, you come up here to the search box here and you just type in carbuyingtips.com, because there is no dots in the names here on YouTube, and you'll see our logo right there. And if you go to our channel here and do the same thing, you click on videos, you'll see the videos that we've uploaded recently. We just did a Dewalt battery adapter test video on there a couple of weeks ago that you'll like. And we did some testing here on the Ford F-150, the V6 EcoBoost versus the V8 engine fuel economy. We took 2 trucks out on the road and did some testing there. So you'll see a lot of very useful videos that we have in there, and a lot pertaining to buying cars and used cars and new cars and avoiding scams. So make sure you check that out too. Now I want to call your attention to this awesome 50% off miter saw deal from Dewalt that we saw at our local Home Depot store. We don't know if it's in your store or if it was just in this store or if it was regional, but go and check in person. These will not show up if you check online, because they've already been pulled out of the computer system. So you have to go and see if they're physically in the store somewhere marked down. Here's what we showed you on our live stream last week on June 11th. The saw is right here on the floor. This is it right here. Now check this thing out, guys. I don't know if they have it in your area too, but this right here is the 12-inch double bevel miter saw here, okay? And it's $175. That's like 50% off right there. Now, I know we've seen it cheaper. I know I've seen it less than $349. I just can't remember. It might have been $299 at Black Friday. I'm not sure. But I don't know why they're getting rid of these at this low price. Maybe there's another one coming in. But there's your part number on it. And 6/3 is when it went on sale. But I can tell you, I didn't see it on the floor until today. You know, I've been I've been in here pretty much every day. Okay, the other one I wanted to show you here, this is probably the one to get here for the RYOBI days buy one get one deal here. So if you buy that battery kit with the two 4-amp batteries and the charger and the canvas case here, you can get this as one of your free tools, and this is one that I would probably suggest you look at here. So this one here is a $79 tool here, and each store that had them in stock only had one or two. I think 3 I saw in another store. I got one of them, and so they're all gone in the 2 stores that I go to now. These went, though, like basically the first day. So when you see these things like this that you know people are going to be going after, that the first day of the sale is when you get them. You don't wait, because you're just simply not going to get it. And right now it's showing here ship to home is not even available for this item. It says limited pickup, limited stock in the Sawgrass store. That's out in Sunrise, Florida. And so it looks like this one's a really tough one to get, but we're filming a tool review video on this one today. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm going to go back outside and continue recording our video for this one. Okay, so the other one that I'm sort of scratching my head over that a lot of people seem to be going for right now is this RYOBI fan for $39.97. I understand it because the price is pretty low, but they're using it as their buy one get one tool, and I'm like, why would you do that on a $39 tool when you can get the one I just showed you, a $79 tool? Now, of course, don't go buy a tool just because it's $79 and getting it free. But I always tell people here is to, you know, if it's a buy one get one free, don't waste it on the lowest priced tool there. This one here, I'd rather see you just come back later and spend the $39.97 for it, and then you can use one of the Lowe's 10% off coupons that they honor here at Home Depot and get another $3.90 off of it. I just wanted to point out to you also that this Dewalt deals here aren't just at Home Depot. So here it says it's in stock here for the hammer drill impact driver kit. And if they don't have it there, you can also go to, well, Acme is out of stock right now. CPO, Grainger, all the other stores have it, and they all have it for the exact same price. So there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today, and if we see any more special deals like this, we'll post them here. So just make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and that you click that gray bell icon that alerts you every time we go live or whenever we upload a new video. That's it for this one, folks. Have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you all on the next one.